Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring your phone meets the essentials. Check Android 9 Plus or iOS 13 Plus and confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, open the browser or App Store. Search for the extension or companion app. Tap Install or Add, then grant only the permissions needed. Once done, sign in with your account credentials so the extension can sync settings. This step accelerates later configuration and prevents permission errors. Make sure to note which app integrates with your browser for the next steps. You now configure the extension. Open the browser menu, find Extensions or Add-ons, and select the one you installed. Toggle features on or off, and adjust permissions like storage, notifications, and location to match your needs. Once done, set sync and privacy options so bookmarks, passwords, or preferences transfer across devices. Make sure to create or enable any shortcuts for quick access. This is where you tailor behavior versus accepting defaults, which often improves performance and reduces background data use. You finish by restarting the browser or app to apply all changes, then run a quick test of the extension's core feature to confirm sync and speed. If it works, pin or add it to your toolbar for one-tap access. If it fails, clear the browser cache, reboot the phone, and reinstall the extension. These steps resolve most conflicts. Make sure to check permissions again after reinstalling. If problems persist, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts. This targeted troubleshooting usually reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.